Welcome to Biz Whiz. Previously, Bertrand discovered something terrifying. He was somehow profitable, but broke. But panic often hides misunderstanding. And misunderstanding? Well, that's fixable.
Today, Bertrand begins a journey every business owner must take. The journey to understand the truth behind cash flow. And it all starts with one small lesson. One very squeaky pair of shoes.
Behold, acoustic ambulation.
Bertrand, these are a gold mine. They'll drive parents absolutely insane. We'll take 5,000 pairs.
5,000?
I'm rich! So much profit.
Payment in a jiffy. Standard net 60 terms.
Whoa, Bertrand! That's the fanciest cash register I've ever seen!
Only the best for a profitable proprietor. Now, to order 1,000,000 more squeakers. But I don't understand. I have a massive invoice. I'm profitable. Profitable? But broke? How is that even possible? Penny, where are you? I need help!
I'm here, Bertrand. It sounds like you've got a classic case of a cash flow crunch again. Not a paradox, Bertrand. Just a misunderstanding. Let me show you. Think of your business finances like this. This is the invoice you've got from Harris. It's the money you've earned on paper. It looks great, right? But an invoice isn't money. It's a promise of money. The actual cash won't arrive for 60 days. But your bills need to be paid now.
Oh. So profit is the someday money, but cash flow is the right now money.
Exactly. Myth busted.
Regarding my supplier invoice, I can pay 20% today to keep my stock, and the rest on the 15th. That works with my cash flow plan.
Having trouble keeping up, Bertrand?
Profitability is a goal, but cash flow is the air you breathe. Next time, we tackle Gary's secret weapon, the debt monster.